Guys,
Baba ang ulo yung. Balik.
Yung pagpasok ko, talon ko kuya. Pero okay lang. Walang sakit. Uno, Gindel.
Pagtalo niya ganun, bigla po siyang tayo, tapos next, sinasunod.
Ulit.
no,
Ulit. Di po ako nag-give up kuya. Ganun pa rin.
Gets mo na.
No.
wait.
1, 2,
What are we gonna do?
Doon na po kuya.
Good. Yan. Young's good.
Perfect kuya. Yes. Pasok na po ako kuya.
Go next. Young's good to go. Like this.
Swing.
Ate Mai.
Slow, guys. Slow.
Really slow, okay?
Christian, get her ankles. My stay straight.
Wait.
Straight.
Nice.
Okay, next.
We passed Mai through. She kept her body straight, and then we passed her from our side over to Young. And then we passed all the girls through.
Straight.
Straight lang.
Straight. Yeah. Straight.
Slow.
Wait.
Yeah. Kamay mo yun.
Oh. Go. 3 seconds. 2, 3. Up. You go.
Stick.
Straight.
Ako ninyo guys. Kunin nyo. Bible. Wait.
Pas lang.
Watch slow.
Okay. Go. Wait. No.
You know, I was actually quite surprised at how well we did. You know, physical teamwork. Like, we had to carry each other over.
Guys. Receive.
Now. You have to jump. Okay.
Ang dalawang housemates na lang ang nasa kabilang side ng web, ang bahay na muna ang nilipat sa kabilang side.
No. Taas pa. I can get this. Oh. Wala. Go back. House. Again.
Just the house.
Guys, get steady footing. Footing.
Everyone goes down.
Be careful.
Careful.
Dahil tumama ang bahay sa tali, kailangang umulit ng housemates.
Talagang grabe na po yung tension kasi gustong-gusto po talaga ng lahat na makapass through na ilang beses na yung iba nakatalon. Kailangan umulit kasi may isa po na nakatama sa bell.
Straight. Wait.
Straight.
Wait, huh?
Yeah.
Slow.
Receive.
Slow, guys. Slow as you can.
Doon ka na Marcos, pa.
Alright, Christian, move forward.
Oh, yeah.
Sige, dyan ka, Vibery.
Someone get it. Make sure it's stable, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let go. I should let go.
No.
No. Sige pa, forward.
Wait. Can't anymore. I can't
Okay
reach
lang,
it anymore.
forward.
Mabigat nga po, kuya. Teamwork and unity ang key po, kuya, para magawa yung challenge niya.
Down.
Sunod na diniskantehan kung paano ilulusot si Christian.
I need steady to hold.
Right here.
Two people, Young and Edward. Okay. Steady
Let's
people
go, guys.
to hold
Let's get
on.
this done, yeah?
Kaya natin to. Last
Go.
2.
1, 2, 3. I'm up.
Kinarga po ako ni Marco papunta sa kabilang side at nireceive po ng mga ibang housemates. Alright, slow.
Slow. Marco, out.
Marco, stand up. Slowly. Wait, Marco, don't,
Don't let
Christian,
go.
don't lift your feet. Pull them up, guys, pull them up. That's it.
Let's go.
Nakaya ka ni Marco?
Opo, ewan ko po kung paano niyo nagawa.
Nang si Marco na lang ang lulusot, nag-aalinlangan sila dahil gustong tumalon ni Marco palusot ng spiderweb.
If it's not jumping, tell me. You have another chance? Another choice?
Marco, we have to think about this because if we're gonna waste more time, if you mess up, then we all have to go back. Plus the
So
house.
yeah, what are we gonna do?
Give us few seconds.
Guys,
Nothing.
Ideas.
Paano? Yung naisip ko po kuya talaga is kailangan kong pigilan si Marco. Nakabahan po talaga ako ng sobra nun kasi gusto na po talagang tumalon ni Marco.
For me, it was not hard jumping in the hole.
Please. Wait, we should think this through.
Jump!
It was hard that I have to be careful because I touched the line. Everyone has to come back.
Don't go side. Use your arms through. Go! Come on, Marco, let's go.
Kaya mo yan.
Pag dyan, ready ka na. Ano mo na yung katawan mo.
In any task, Marco is someone that you need. There was no one else I would have wanted going through because I think Marco, out of all of us, he's the most capable.
Marco, be careful. Marco, ikaw pinsan.
Susunod, makalusot kaya si Marco